Okay, good morning, everyone. Looking at the US stock markets, the Dow has earlier retraced after a strong rally from the 21,750 points towards the 26,200 points. We did see a mild retracement on Dow Jones just towards the EMA 60 level before staging a recovery. So this could be taken as the breakout pullback and the continuation pattern for the Dow Jones towards firstly the 26,000 psychological level, or even retesting back towards the 26,250 points after forming the bullish candle on top of the 25 near the 25,000 psychological level. Similarly, the S&P 500 has recovered sharply from the 2350 all the way towards the 2820 level. The 2820 also coincides with the previous resistance level during the mid or early of November last year. Since then, we are seeing a pullback on the S&P 500 just towards the EMA 60 before staging a recovery as the S&P 500 has once again retesting the 2820 level. So for now, let's monitor for the breakout above the 2820. Should there be a breakout and a follow-through by interest beyond that, we might be seeing further upside for the for the US S&P 500 to trend higher towards the 2900 or even towards the 2940 level. In the meantime, the 2700 will serve as the immediate support level. If you watch closely, we did see the uptrend intact orientation formation was established. The MA 20, 60, and 120 has been in line on the S&P 500. Okay, some of this on the crude prices. The crude prices has then recovered from the 42.50 level. Since then, we are seeing a consolidation between the 50 towards the 55. With the consolidation breakout beyond the 55, we did see another wave of consolidation towards the 57.50 level. But on 2 days ago, we did see the crude prices has managed to break out above the 57.50 level, and the fall through buying interest was noted on yesterday as well. So for now, we might be seeing the crude prices creeping higher towards the 60 or even towards the 63 US barrel mark. In the meantime, the 55 will serve as the immediate support level on the crude prices. All in all, both the US stock markets and the crude prices has been forming the higher high and also the higher low formation, suggesting that the uptrend is valid on the short to medium term period. Okay, some of this on our local front. The FMKLCI has earlier managed to breach above the 1700. It recovered towards the 1730 level, but we did see the FMKLCI has subsequently gave up its previous session rally, and it pulled back all the way towards the 1665 level before staging a mild recovery. On the FMKLCI right now, we might be seeing the key index just to linger on a sideways manner over the next coming days in view of the lack of fresh catalyst on the local market. But if we see some if we expect the crude prices and also crude palm oil prices to be to trend higher, coupled with the China and US trade deal, then only we can see the FMKLCI recover back towards the 1700. But in view of the lack of fresh catalysts, we might be seeing the FMKLCI just to trade on a sideways manner with the negative trend to likely to resume on the FMKLCI. On the FM small cap wise, the low liners has continued to trade on a very strong manner after forming the short-term breakout pullback just towards the EMA 60 level, and the continuation pattern was established as the FM small cap index has once again retested to the 13,000 psychological level. For now, let's monitor to see if there's any follow-through by interest beyond that. Should there be a follow-through by interest, we might be seeing the MACD indicator to issue the buy signal. RSI could be solidifying its position above the 50 level as well. So for now, there's a higher chance that the F1 small cap index to see continuous gains over the next coming days. Already, we can see that the trading volumes is really quite active. It's around or more than 4 billion trading volumes over the past 2 trading days. On stocks wise, some of the stocks that we can watch out for firstly will be Tioxing. Teosing has earlier rallied very sharply since the end of November after the company has announced a very strong set of corporate earnings. We made the first wave of our rally towards the recent peak of 1.34 cents. Subsequently, price has pulled back just towards the EMA 620 level before staging a recovery as price managed to form the short-term breakout, pullback, and the continuation pattern was established as price looks to trend higher towards the first target price of 134. Upon the breakout 134, further upside will be seen for Teosing towards the 1.42 cents level. Your stop loss point will be located below the 1.15 or 1.16 cents level on Teosing. With the breakout beyond the EMA 20 and also the EMA 9 level yesterday, we are really seeing the volume has started to pick up on yesterday itself. Another company that's traded in a similar manner will be YOCB. YOCB has earlier made a very strong rally after the gap up formation above the 1.08 level. Since then, the price continues to trend higher, accompanied by some of the high volumes being traded towards the recent peak of 1 ringgit and 24 cents. After hitting the intraday high of 124, we did see a healthy pullback on YOCB just towards the EMA 9 level before staging a recovery. So this could be taken as the breakout, pullback, and the continuation pattern as price managed to breach above the 1.19 cents level yesterday. With the breakout above the 119, we did see the uptrend interorientation formation was being re-established again. The EMA 9, 20, 16, and 120 has been in line since then. With that, we might be seeing price trading back towards the 124. There will be immediate target price for now, followed by the recent peak of 131. Stop loss is at the 1.14 cents level on YOCB. On KPS, price has forming some of the base on top of the 1.19 cents level. After finding some big recovery on top of the 1.19 cents level, we did see price has staged a technical rebound just towards the recent peak of the 1.46 cents level, forming the double top formation. Yes, we tested the 1.46 cents or the EMA 120 level during the mid of November. Once again, during the mid of February, we tested the 146 before staging a pullback, and subsequently we did see another short-term breakout above the 1 ringgit and 34 cents level yesterday. With the breakout above the 1 ringgit and 34 cents, we might be seeing price to trend higher towards the 146. That will be the intraday target price for today. Should price manage to breach above the 146, we might be seeing further upside towards the 1 ringgit and 53 cents level. Stop loss below the 127 on KPS. Should price manage to break out above the 1.46 cents level, this could be also be the double shape formation or breakout that we are seeing, or the double bottom formation that we are expecting price to trend higher sharply towards the 153. Last two company for today, firstly will be CCM. CCM is has earlier recovered from the recent low of around the 1 ringgit and 63 cents levels towards the recent high of 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit and 3 cents. After hitting the 2 ringgit and 3 cents level, price subsequently pulled back and consolidated over the past 2 months trading period. Price managed to find some support along the 1 ringgit and 88 cents or the 9 cents level or the EMA 120 level before forming a bullish candle yesterday. On CCM right now, let's monitor for this potential of flat formation of record above yesterday's high of the 1 ringgit and 97 cents. Should price manage to breach above the 197, price may trend higher towards the first target price of 2 ringgit and 5 cents or even towards the 215. Stop loss below the 1 ringgit and 89 cents level on us CCM. But if price did not breach above the 197 and price continues to reverse below the 189, then you can forget about this counter. Last company for the day will be FPI. FPI has again made a very strong rally towards the 2 ringgit and 8 cents level after price formed the higher high and also the higher low formation, with the uptrend interorientation being established since the mid of October last year. Since then, price has managed to pull back just towards the EMA 60 level and consolidated over the past 1 month trading period. But on yesterday, we are seeing a gap up formation on FPI, accompanied by some of the mild improvement in volumes as price breakout to close above the EMA 20 and also the 1.85 ringgit level. With the breakout beyond the 1.85, we could expect further recovery on FPI, firstly towards the 188. That will be the intraday target towards the 193, covering the gap down formation, and with your stop loss point located below the 1 ringgit 79 cents level on FPI. Should price manage to breach above the 188 level, we might be seeing the MACD indicator to show a buy signal. RSI also could be trending higher above the 50 level as well. If you have any questions, you can put in the chat box. I'll reply you shortly. There's some question here firstly on Kuskapi. Technical wise, Kuskapi has earlier found some recovery, found some base along the 16 cents level before staging a recovery just towards the EMA 120, which is around the 24 cents. Price subsequently staged a pullback just towards the recent low of 18.5 cents level. And once again, we did see a bullish candle was being formed on Kuskapi as price managed to form the short-term breakout above the 21 cents. With the breakout above the 21 cents and also the high volumes being traded, we might be seeing some of the follow-through buy interest on Kuskapi with gains likely heading towards the 24 cents level. In the meantime, your stop loss point will be located below the 18.5 cents level on Kuskapi. But for now, price is still on a downtrend formation, so any recovery from now will be just taken as a technical rebound play with gains likely to be capped towards the 24 cents level at current juncture. Until we can see a breakout above the 24 cents, then only we can see further upside towards the 26.5 cents. On Maybank wise, price is continues to trade on a sideways manner after hitting the recent high of the 10 ringgit and 14 cents level. Price from a shooting star candle subsequently reversed its position towards the 9 ringgit and 10 cents level. On Maybank right now, let's monitor for this potential symmetrical triangle formation breakout, or this trend line breakout, until we can see a price breach and also close above the 9 ringgit and 60 cents level. Then only we can confirm for further recovery on Maybank towards the 971 or even towards the 987 cents. Stop loss will be located towards the 944, and if you can take further risk, final defense is at the 9 ringgit and 31 cents level. But the Maybank will likely to just trade on a sideways manner until we can see a fresh catalyst on the banking sector. Then only we can see further upside on Maybank. Or else, price could be just lingering between the 944 towards the 971 level over the longer term period. On GCB, price is still on a very strong uptrend in direct rotation formation. There's no bearish divergence signal with the MACD and also price indicator at current juncture. After price has hit the recent high of 3 ringgit and 9, around the 387 or 386 level, we did see price has subsequently staged a healthy pullback before staging a consolidation spell. On the GCB right now, until we can see a breakout above the 387, then only we can confirm for further upside towards the 4 ringgit or even towards the 4 ringgit and 20 cents level. Stop loss will be located below the recent low of 3 ringgit and 64 cents level on GCB. The good thing on GCB right now, as you can see, that some of the volumes have been starting to build up at current juncture. So for now, let's see if price were to kick off to beyond the 387 for us to target the 4 ringgit or even towards the 420. But if price were to reverse below the 364 level and you still want to hold on to this company, your final defense will be located towards the 3 ringgit and 33 cents level on GCB. Sorry, 3 ringgit and 35 cents level on GCB. If you have any further question, then you can just put in the chat box. If there's no further question for today, then we'll end the morning briefing. Thank you.